The purpose of a titration is to determine the concentration of an unknown solution using a concentration of a standard solution. In this experiment, we are trying to determine the acid concentration in a soda using sodium hydroxide as the standard solution. Before beginning the titration, the sodium hydroxide solution has been standardized with KHP and water. This information will be needed in order to calculate the concentration of the unknown. Soda was heated to eliminate carbonation and transferred to an Erlenmeyer flask. 2 drops of phenolphthalein were added and will allow us to see the endpoint of the titration. The endpoint is indicated by a light pink color. It is important to prime the burette by rinsing it with water in solution 3 times before each use. Also remember to read the volume at eye level and to round to 2 decimal places. So we filled the burette above the 0 line and we're going to release a little bit to make sure that there are no air bubbles in it. I'm now going to read the initial volume. And it is at 4.61. Final volume of trial 1 is about 3.82.
Alright, so we filled it all the way to the top, and then we'll release them to make sure the air bubbles aren't going to be down here. Our initial volume is
0.71.
Final volume is
35.91.
We fill the solution above the line so that we can release them to make sure there's no air bubbles. And after releasing some, the initial volume is
1.69.
the final volume is
36.29.
So first we have the volume above the 0 line, that way we can get all the bubbles out. Initial volume is
1.61.
and our final volume is
39.89.